Look who's late.
Late?
Yeah, you're late. I want the new one. I want the new one.
Just because somebody's old doesn't mean it's not okay. Just because it's old doesn't
Shut up.
Zoom it in like that's the Stef'ing.
Shut up. That was so conscious of that. I'm gonna delete all the zoom ins.
Why?
Because you're like, you zoom in a lot. It's just making me nauseous.
Oh my god, look at you. It's like plantation here now.
The house. Tulips. That's so pretty. So pretty.
Oh, girly.
Let's go, girly.
Oh my god, look, that's a house. In our budget.
Shut up. That's so pretty.
Oh my god, my hair.
Opa.
Bombastic side-eye, criminal offensive side-eye.
Cheers. It's $50.
It's good. It's like In-N-Out. Shake Shack. It's like In-N-Out.
I mean, it's definitely bigger. You think they grew this year?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Especially tulip, but it's like...
What?
That's what he pays for its first 2 bites.
Let's try the hot chocolate. Oh, it's water. Hello, you just stepped in my world and it's doing unboxing. I went to popmart for the first time because I watched Quarter Jade and she's opening up popmart gachas, and I was like, oh my gosh, those are so cute. I'll get some, and here it is. Okay, here is stuff I got. So I just got one from each, and since I spent over, I think it was like $59, I got for a gift. Yeah, it's just an album. First one is the Sweet Together. I want the bunny. The Millie Sweet Bean. I also want the Monster Fluffy Sweet Bean. Okay, I'm also making TikTok at the same time, so... I got the one I wanted! I really want Birdman or the Aviator. Oh, for the You Don't Know Lime, I got Secrecy. I really want the Fading and the Voyage. This box is different. Adorable. out. This is my OOTD. Skirt is from Aritzia. Tank top is from Uniqlo and I just tied it up. Cardigan, also from Uniqlo. Shoes, New Balance. Bag, pull in. Okay, Dave, fit check. Where's your pants from?
Levi's.
Shirt.
Uniqlo.
Jacket.
Quick delivery.
Shoes.
Rock.
Wow. Hello. How do you think they make those?
Huh?
How do you think this is made?
How it's made? I don't get so fluffy. The idea of putting crab like kanji is crazy.
That can get expensive. We're now at where, Dave? Where are we at?
Pop and lock.
We're popping and locking at the Ballard Locks. Lock? Locks. Oh, wait, I've seen these online. Like, I've seen diagrams, but not the real thing. That's really cool. Oh, look at all that moss. Do you press this to like realign if it like goes wacky? Damn, that's big.
Oh my god, I'm trying to drop this. Is that a dam?
Ooh. They're using the lock. And so they're going to close off the gate on the other side and lower the water table down. There's the boats coming out. Maybe they're going on an adventure. Big boat. That's a party boat. Damn, imagine it being like such a big boat. Like they open up a bridge for you.
Do you need to pay for that?
You gotta pay for that. Wow, what a spectacle.
Didn't they just pay
A fee?
a fee like right there, like a toll? Maybe they'll have to pay right there, or else you can't cross.
We were going to go to the museum, but it's $20 a person, so it's not too much. Cheers. My hair looks really nice from the back, but I feel like I don't know what color to do. I was thinking of going ginger, right? But I was telling Kaylee, I was like, I think ginger looked good. Was that 2 years ago? Because I was like very light skinned, so it worked with my complexion.
You're not working out.
I feel like I am. I mean, I've tanned up, right?
Have you?
I think I want to think I do. But then I was also thinking like, how about like red? Not like bright red, but like dark red, maroonish.
You get me one too. Ooh. Black cod karaage.
Karage?
Yeah. Okay.
I'm sake. Like a sake. Do you have one you recommend?
Do you like sweet sake?
Yeah,
or
sweet
sake.
sake.
First?
I'm assuming she introduced this one first. This is the this one, the ankimo umami. No, this is the fish cake. Oh yeah, the fish order. That's $12.50. It's good though.
Very good.
Yummy.
it says 50 pieces. Hi. Steph is bugging.
No, I'm not. I'm just swarm, Dave. Onion powder is not here. Onion. Hello. I bought smiskis. They're from some random shop in Ballard. One of them is only $8.99. $8.99. Ooh, I want any one of these. They're all cute. Oh my gosh! I don't have this one yet. Oh, I love it. Pillow one. Wow, wow. And this one from the Living Series 1 Series 1 Living Edition. Thankfully, I pulled this one before, and it's living somewhere in Dave's apartment. Popmart unboxing! Ah! It's so cute! Oh my god, it's a dinosaur! It's on Voyage. Oh my god! It has a hat. Open up Demo Retro Series, and I got Rocky King, and its arm actually moves. Oh, there you go. Okay, that is all.